Hi, we are from Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology from CSE department. We are here to discuss our mini project, which is a medical mobile application based on the Android operating system. We have done our project under the guidance of Associate Professor Mr. P.L. Srinivasa Murthy. Our project members are M. Sahiti, Juhi Parekh, K. Priyanka, Sana Shareen. Before we start describing our project, let us have a brief introduction about Android operating system. Android is a Linux-based operating system designed mostly for touchscreen devices like mobile phones and tablet computers. It is an open software platform for mobile development. It is a complete stack which contains operating system, middleware, applications. Let us have a brief description about the Android architecture. The architecture basically consists of 5 levels, in which the bottommost level is the Linux kernel, which is written in C. The next level is libraries, which is written in C++. The top 2 levels are the application frame and the application, which are written in Java. Here is the abstract of the project. Healthcare is in the middle of mobile revolution. Mobile phones have become an important part in the life of people in their busy schedule. Sometimes people may come to face certain urgent situations when they even lack basic medical support, or they face certain perilous conditions where they don't even know what is to be done. Keeping in mind the above situations, the medical applications have been developed. For this project, the system requirements are as follows. The following are software requirements: Java Development IDE, Eclipse IDE, plugin, Android SDK tools, operating system, Windows XP or higher, Mac OS X 10.5.8 or later, or Linux. Technologies used: Java. Hardware requirements: processor Pentium 4 or higher, RAM 256 MB, space on disk minimum 250 MB. This is the Eclipse IDE in which we have developed the project. Here we have the source folder, generated Java files, and the resource folder. The source folder contains the activities of the project which are written in Java. Coming to the resource folder, there are subfolders called drawable for storing images and videos which have been used in our project. It also contains the layout subfolder which contains the XML files. It also contains the menu subfolder for creating pop-up menus and context menus. We can run this on the emulator. Here is the main screen of the project. There are 3 modules. In the home remedy module, there is a list of all chronic diseases. From this list, when you click on the required disease, it shows up a new screen which provides the brief description of a disease along with the causes, symptoms and remedies. When you go for the second module, that is the first aid, it contains other subparts, and when you long press on any of these, it will open up a context menu which further contains list of different first aids. When you go for the third module, that is BMI, it contains details about the body mass index. Here you can enter the height and weight, and it will display your BMI along with a toast message indicating whether you are normal weight, underweight or overweight. The main purpose of this application is to help people in the absence of immediate medical assistance. It focuses on providing basic medical remedies to common illnesses. In regard to the app's aesthetics, it is visually appealing and easy to use.
निकाल ले नहीं